Hello friends, Krug here, and today I'd like to present the moving hole 4x4 Mixup Revenge puzzle. Let's break down the name. This puzzle is based upon the 4x4 Mixup Revenge, as seen back here. Actually, let's do a quick size comparison. You can see these puzzles are about the same size, about 65mm to an edge, but you can also notice that the corners, the edges, and even the centers here are roughly the same size. Different shapes, but about the same bounding box. This is because this puzzle was actually my first attempt at creating the 4x4 Mixup Revenge puzzle, although it didn't go quite as I expected. While the puzzle turns fine like a 2x2, actually for this the turning is quite well. You can see here that along the different axes it turns decently. It even corner cuts a bit. Only a bit though. But even with that, the slice layers don't like to turn away from the external layers. If I try to move this layer here, the pieces end up just jamming it. This is because the design for this one has the stalks for the centers going straight towards, perpendicular to the face, and the edges going straight towards the center axis. Well, this puzzle over here has each of these centers going straight towards the core of the puzzle, or the origin. Anyways, by removing a piece, we end up with a moving hole puzzle. You can notice that due to a printing error I made, I gave a little bit too much tolerance and the pieces are a little bit loose. Due to that, sometimes the alignment can be a little bit difficult. You can kind of hear that they like to move around a little bit when you shake it. But as you saw there, not only can you slide these around the faces, but you can also move these along these different mix-up axes as well. And you can continue to move them around the puzzle. And turning for this is generally decent. Occasionally, you'll get a little bit tough spot when the alignment doesn't work out. You can see here that the stalks are a little bit tiny, but overall it turns pretty well. And for being one of my first puzzles, I'm actually quite happy about it. This has been the Moving Hole 4x4 Mixup Revenge. I hope you enjoyed it.